Okay, hello, welcome guys to this episode of the video. And I want you to, first of all, if you find value in this video, if you enjoy what I am doing, so just click on the subscription button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also hit the notification button so that you get notified whenever I post videos and contents such as this. And also remember to also share the video, all right, so that YouTube can show this video to more persons. So you know me, without wasting much of your time, I'm going straight to the point. Now what you are seeing is Facebook interface where we run what ads. I was one of the first set of people who made a video when I noticed some changes on the Facebook interface. When I noticed some changes in our ad accounts, I made a video and I told people that Facebook is rolling out some changes. They are rolling out some changes. Now, from time to time, they will continue to roll out more changes. Now, in that video that I did, I don't think many people understood what I meant actually. Now, what I'm trying to say is that because I have a Facebook ad course which I created, and when I created that Facebook ad course, these changes were not there. All right, these changes were not there. So as you go to your Facebook business account to run ads, you will continue to see changes as time goes on. So without wasting much of our time, let me show you what I mean. Now, if you want to run ads, before now, we had the option where we could target people in our location only. I said that in the previous video. We could target people in our location only. But right now, Facebook have removed that feature. They have removed it. What is the implication of this? The implication of this is that your ad may end up be shown to people who don't need to see it. That is what it means. So I'm going to show you something. Now, let me go to this place. Of course, you know, when you get here, so if you don't know how to navigate around, I already have a course on Facebook. This is the course I created on Facebook. Now, this course, you discover how I made over 4.5 million naira selling products on Facebook. So whether you're selling digital product, whether you're selling physical product, this course is for you. And this course is worth 20,000 naira. But you know what? This course is just going for 2,000 naira. I don't know, depending on when you're watching this video, I don't know what the price might be later. But for now, it's just a 2,000 naira. I will drop the link in the description so that you can get the course. So this course is not just to teach you the video I'm doing now. It's not to teach you how to run Facebook ad. It's for people who already started Facebook ad and then they notice these changes. So when you come here, you just click on create. When you click on create, it will load up and open. Of course, let me start a new campaign. Let me start a new campaign. Just click here, create. All right. Okay. Let me start create campaign. Let me create campaign. All right. So once you click on that create campaign, now we have two objectives here I want to talk about. Now these two objectives I want to talk about is for people who want to drive traffic from Facebook to their WhatsApp. In fact, you can't do without WhatsApp. You can't do without WhatsApp. You want to drive traffic from Facebook to your WhatsApp. Now, there are two campaign objectives you can use. You can use the engagement objective, or you can use the sales objective. Okay, you can use the engagement objective, or you can use the sales objective. So I'm going to talk about these two objectives right here, and then I will show you the changes that has happened. Okay, and I'll tell you the changes that has happened. Now, let us start with this sales objective. Now, when you click on this sales here that I'm hovering my mouse, click on this sales. All right, you can be able to name your campaign, all right, and the rest of it. You know, there are 3 layers. I already said that in my my course. There are 3 layers to this. You know, you have the campaign layer, you have the ad set layer, and you have the ad layer. These are the 3 layers to running Facebook ads. So all these things I said them in this course. All these things I dissected them in this course. And the beauty of this course is that we don't just sell it to you and then leave you. We have a support group where we carry you along, and then if you have any issues, you also let us know. The issue of setting up your Facebook account, Pixel, and the rest of it, paying with your Naira card and not your dollar card, all these things, just 20,000 Naira cost is going for 2,000 Naira. So now you click sales. Now if you want to name your campaign, that is the 3 levels, come here, you click here, all right? When you click here, that's here. You can see this is campaign. So I'm just trying to say maybe WhatsApp. Let me say WhatsApp, all right? Let me say WhatsApp. WhatsApp campaign, okay? WhatsApp campaign. I just want to say it. Then let me copy this, okay? Let me, in the ad set level, let me name it as a WhatsApp ad set, WhatsApp ad set, all right? You can say here, I say WhatsApp ad. So these are the 3 levels: campaign, the ad set, and the ad, all right? So I'll click on what? Continue. So once you click on continue, remember we are going for the sales objective. I will come back to the engagement campaign objective, all right? So this is what you get, all right? Now this is what you get. Now you don't need to do anything here. I've already named what's it called? I've already named my campaign. So what you now do is you come here, all right, and click on what? Next. You will see a next button here, all right? Next. You click on what? Next, all right? So when you click on next, where this change has occurred, I think is here on the ad set level, right? Let's move ahead. I will show us, all right? So once you come to this ad set level, now remember that from campaign level we've moved to the ad set level. Now remember, you want to drive this traffic to your WhatsApp. Now before you do this, while creating your page, while creating your Facebook page, you have already included your WhatsApp business to it, and also you also connect your Instagram to it in case you want to run both WhatsApp and Instagram ad, all right? You want to run Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram ad. So make sure that your WhatsApp business number has been connected to your Facebook page, also your Instagram. Now all this, I explained all this in this course, all right? I explained all this in this course. I explained them in this course, all right? And the testimonies have been what? Amazing. The testimonies have been what? It has been very, very what? Amazing. The testimonies has been amazing. You can see, all right? There are a lot of testimonies here. We'll look into that. Thanks, I've seen my course. God bless you immediately. All right, this course way more than the price, even the launch price. I believe you never pulled that. So this course has been amazing. So you just have to grab it right now, right, before the price increases. So remember that what you want to do is you want to run this advert to your WhatsApp. So what you need to do is that you change it to the messaging objective. Here, you click here, change it to the messaging what? Objective. Change it to the messaging objective. So I click on the messaging objective. Now, when you do that, you come down here. Of course, I have my Instagram account and I have my WhatsApp account. Remember that I want to run this advert to my WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tick my WhatsApp here. I'm going to tick my WhatsApp and then remove this messenger. Now, if I also want to run it to Instagram, I'll also what? Tick here. In this account right there, I'm using this account for tutorial. I've not connected my Instagram account. So if I connect my Instagram account, I can also run my Instagram what? Advert. It's very simple as that. So I want to run this to my WhatsApp. So I've ticked the WhatsApp. So you come down here. All right. Now, I want you to look at this performance goal here. This performance goal here that I'm hovering this mouse. All right. Now, there are 2 performance goals here. If I click this here, if I click this drop down, you have maximize number of conversations. That is, Facebook will try to show your ads to people most likely to have a conversation with you through messaging. All right. Then if you run this advert, if you choose this objective right here, this performance goal, Facebook will show your advert to people who are likely to have a conversation with you in your WhatsApp. Now, if you click here, maximize number of conversions, Facebook will try to show your ads to the right people to help you get the most website conversions. So whichever one you want to choose is okay, but you still have other goals here. If you choose other goals here, you see by link clicks, Facebook will show your advert to people who are likely to, click your link, which is not what you want. Here, they will try to show your ads to people once per day. So you don't need this, all right? So the two important one is maximize number of conversion and deliver your ads to the right people, get the most website conversion. So whichever one you can choose, conversion. So if these people get to your WhatsApp, it's now left for you to initiate the conversation and then closing on them. I hope I'm communicating. All right. So we're leaving it to the here, maximum conversion. So come down here. Of course, you set your budget. If maybe it's 5,000, 1,000, whatever. You can run advert for as low as 2,000 naira a day, 1,000 a day. All right. So now you come down here. All right. This is the date. Remember that this video is not to begin to teach you about Facebook tutorial. I already have that in my course. I just want to show us the new things that Facebook has rolled out. All right. So let's come down here. All right. Now, location here. Let's look at location. Edit location. Now, here, before now, listen, this is where the change has occurred. Before now, we could target people who are living in our location. Now, if you have this course, that is what you are going to see, because I target people who live in my country. But here right now, Facebook have removed that feature. Now, in your own ad account, that feature may still be there. So they are gradually removing it individually from people's account. They have removed it from this account now. So what Facebook does is that they reach people living or recently in this location. Let me explain what this means. This means that I'm shooting this video from Nigeria. Now, someone came into Nigeria, stayed for some time, left Nigeria to Accra, Ghana, or to US. Now, because the person came to Nigeria and then you run this advert, what it means is that the person who is in Accra, Ghana, or the person who is in US will also see your advert, because the person stepped into Nigeria and then left. That person will see your advert. Now, what is the disadvantage of this? The disadvantage of this is that Facebook has removed our ability to target people who are only within our country. So even though here I have Nigeria, even though here I have Nigeria, even though I have Nigeria here, as you can see, I have Nigeria here, right? This advert, people who were in Nigeria and also left, they will see this advert. They will see the advert. So what do you do? What do you do? You call out the people, because if you are selling a physical product, for example, that you deliver only for people in Nigeria, and then someone in US is seeing your advert, and then the person goes and click your advert, because once the person clicks your advert, you're going to pay for it. Do you understand what I'm saying? You're going to pay for it. So that is what it means. So what it means is that you have to call out your audience. I will show you what I mean. You have to call out your audience. You have to be specific, the people you want. So if you are running this advert, you say that this advert is for people in Nigeria only. You have to call them out so that someone in US doesn't just go and click your advert, or someone in Accra, Ghana doesn't just go and click your advert. Do you understand what I mean? So this feature has changed, where we have option. Before, you could see people living in or recently in this location. Before, you will see options. The second option you will see is people living in this location. That is what we normally choose. All right. So the age and everything is still there. All right. The age and everything. Understand? So when you come down, you choose manual placement. Please don't choose advanced. Use manual. Now, this manual placement gives you the opportunity to take charge of your advert, for you to tell Facebook, these are the people I want them to see my advert. For example, you want people who are only on Facebook alone. I've removed audience network, and people who are on Instagram, assuming you want to include your Instagram. Remember, I said that you need to connect your WhatsApp account and also your Instagram account. All those things I taught them in this course. All right, I taught them in this course. So all you need to do, change it to manual placement. All right. So guys, if you are getting value in this video, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also click the notification button so that you will be able to get notified whenever I post videos. So if you're getting value, if you're getting premium value, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then click on the notification button and also share the video. All right, so I'm not running Instagram ad, so I remove Instagram. All right, if I want to run Instagram ad, I will click on Instagram ad here. All right, I'll click on Instagram here. Once I click on it, my advert can be shown to people on Instagram. But there is something I want to tell us about the Instagram. Maybe I will talk about that later. Let us proceed. So let's go ahead here. I've ticked Facebook and Instagram. So all right, now here you now check people you want them to see your advert. I don't want Instagram Explore. I don't want Instagram this. I just want the Instagram feed. All right, I want the Instagram feed. All right, so you can leave it. If you want reels and stories, all these things I taught them in my course. All right, let me remove these ones. Let me remove these ones. Okay, so once you are done, now what do? You go over to the word next. You have filled all these things, you go over to the word next. I click on next here. All right, so here now, right now, what you need to do is let me come down here. Let me come down. What you need to do right here now is to write your ad copy. To write your ad copy. To write your ad copy. Remember here, it's asking me to connect Instagram page. I didn't connect any Instagram page. All right, I didn't connect any Instagram. Let me see if I can search for my Instagram. I don't think I've connected my Instagram page here. So you must connect your Instagram page if you want to what's it called? If you want to run a Facebook ad, and also Instagram. Must connect your Instagram. I taught that in my video. I taught that in the video course. So what you need to do now is this. You want to go over to the creative source, your Mana upload. If you click your Mana upload, then you can be able to upload. Let me remove this. So here, your ad setup. If you click here, you can create your ad here. All right, the ad setup here. If you come to ad setup, you can create ad. When you create ad, you'll be able to come here, you know, write your tests. All right, write your tests, and then your headline, and then here, of course, you will leave it here, which is sent to WhatsApp. All right, then you publish. But let me do something. What I'm going to do is here right now. The ad setup can be done in two ways. Now, if you have an existing post that has been running, you have an engagement on the existing post, you can use existing post. If you choose here, click here, all right, you see existing post, click on existing post. Now, if you have an existing post you have done before, they will display, all right, and then you choose it. But I don't have any existing post here. So what I'll do is I create an ad, all right. If you create an ad, come here. Now, if you are running Facebook ad to WhatsApp, I always advise you can use your single image. But if the products are more than one, you can use a carousel. All right, you can use carousel. What does this mean is that carousel gives you the advantage to add more than one picture. Maybe you're selling bags, for example. You can add different bags. But single image here, you just have to add only what? One bag. Do you understand what I'm saying? So the format here, if you, depending on what you're promoting, you can use carousel or single image. So let me go for single image. But if you are into bags, like I said, you're into bags, you sell cosmetics, you sell shoes, you can use carousel. That carousel, it gives you the advantage to add more than one image, all right? So that when someone sees the advert, the person sees various images. And there's something people do. They place their adverts, they don't put price tags. In your advert, if you're selling bags, for example, and then you're using carousel, for example, you're using carousel, this carousel now, in your slides, put the prices. Now, the prices already, you're deceiving people who are not interested. Anybody who clicks on your advert and comes already sees the price, understand, on the pictures that you have uploaded or on the videos, and the person will come and then you start negotiating with you, understand, based on the price. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, so let me go back to the single image because I don't have carousel, I don't have images to add here. So once you come there, once you put single image, come down here, you see here, you click add image. You see here, you click on what? Add image. So once you click on add image, here will open up. All right, so if you have images already, you select. If you don't have, you just go to upload. Just go to upload here. So let me just look for here, click this, let me put this. All right, so all these things are in the course. So what I wanted to show you is just those changes. So click on it. All right, and then click on what? Next. All right, okay, click on what? Next. All right, so once you click on next, okay, original, let's see, recommended, okay, then click on what? Next. All right, click on what? Done. Click on what? Done. So now you can see this is how this will appear here. This is how this will appear here. All right, so make sure that your stuff is on the right format. What do I mean? Let me go here, let me delete this, let me delete this. All right, let me go back to add image. Now you can see that there is a question mark here. This image will be maxed on mobile news, the tallest supported aspect ratio for images without links and videos mobile. So once you see this sign, this question sign, it shows that your image has issues. It might not really fit. As you can see, if I put it next here, as you can see, it's showing me this is how this image is. Look at the original. This is how the image is, as you can see. So if I add it next here, next. So make sure that your image comes out what? Fine. Make sure your image comes out fine. All right. So as you can see, this image cut, but this is just for tutorial purposes. So I didn't take time, I just used anything. All right, so now your headline. Now this is primary text. This primary text, this is where you call out your audience. Remember I said something that the location has changed. Now in your primary text, you have to call out your what? Audience. This is where you call out your what? Your audience. Here, maybe say, hello, are you in Nigeria and would want to get an affordable hair? That is, you are now with this now, you are calling out the people you want. All right, with this headline now, you are calling the people you want. With this headline, you are calling the people you want. Okay, you can say this is the right advert for you. So I'm just typing this. All right, so you don't just come here. That's when you start typing your ad copy. No, your ad copy already must be written word down. So as you can see here, now, hello, are you in Nigeria and would want to get an affordable hair? That means you are calling out the people. You are calling out the people. All right, you are calling out the people that you want. Am I communicating? You are calling out the people that you want them to see this advert. So in this headline, you can come here and say, get the free hair. I'm just saying, all right, so get the free hair. All right, get the free hair. So you can see here right now, get the free hair. As you can see, the WhatsApp button is here. So once someone clicks on this advert, the person will see on this WhatsApp button. All right, now this is for single image. All right, this is for single image. All right, so what I'm trying to say is that you need to call out your audience. Okay guys, so I had to attend to something quickly. So what I'm trying to say is that make sure you call out your audience. It's very, very important. If not, you'll be wasting money. If not, you will be wasting. If not, you will be wasting money. All right. So make sure you call your audience. Remember that this is just a tutorial to give us an update. So these pictures, they are not okay. So remember that you have to make sure your pictures are what? Okay. Now you can also anytime what is it called? Delete this stuff. If you don't like it, you delete it. Then if you want to and something else I also what's it called? Forgot to tell you. Please, you see this multi advert. This may increase your ads. Just remove it. I don't like it. remove it, all right, remove it. Multi-advertiser ads, remove it, all right, untick it. Now, if you want to also add for carousel, maybe you want to, for carousel, like I said, you can add more than one, all right? You can add, you see, add at least 2 cards. So if I want to add, you can add image cards, all right? So you can add multiple images. You can add multiple images, all right? You can add multiple images. Let's say continue, all right? You can see you can add multiple images, all right? So that's, as you can see, you have multiple images here. There's been temporary issues getting this preview, so this is just a network error. So you can add, if you want to add more than one image, you can add more than one word image. Remember, I'm just doing this for just a tutorial, all right? So I'm removing all this, I'm removing them, all right? Okay, so I'm removing them. So if you want to add a single image, you can add a single image and add your, what if it's a video, you add video, whichever one. And then please call out your audience. Now your headline, I said maybe get free hair now, or you see, so you can see it will pop up here, get free hair now, and then it will be showing that the person will connect on WhatsApp. Now, if I connected my Instagram account, it will also be showing on the Instagram. Now, I wanted to say something about Instagram. Listen carefully. Before you run an advert on Instagram, go to your Instagram account that is already connected to your Facebook page. Go to your Instagram account, create a post. If you want to run Instagram account, create a post that if you want to run Instagram ad, create a post on your Instagram. It's not that you can't do it here, but create a post on your Instagram. Then when you come here, you can connect it. How do you connect it? You connect it using existing posts. All right, you can come here, this ad setup. You see this ad setup here, click on ad setup. Use existing post. When you click on use existing post, it will pop up. All right, it will pop up. Then you can use your Instagram account. Let me check if I can change this page. I don't think I have any other page. Okay, if I had any other page here, I just use this account for this tutorial. I would have showed you what I mean. All right, now let us go back to the, this one is the sales objective that we use. Let us go back to the engagement objective. Let us use to the campaign. Let's go to the campaign. All right, okay, let's go to the campaign. Okay, all right, let's go to the campaign and then change the campaign. Remember, the campaign we used was sales. So I'm coming here to the campaign. I will edit it, all right, and change engagement. All right, remember I came here to the campaign type, I change it to engagement. So once I change it to engagement, it will override everything that we have done before. All right, so I'm clicking on continue. So what we have now is an engagement campaign. So come to the asset. All right, let me come to the asset. So once I come to the asset, remember that what we want to do is to run this to our WhatsApp. So you change it to here, messaging apps get engaged with your brand on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. So you change it here. All right, okay, you change it here. So once you do that, you come down, all right, and then remember it's on WhatsApp that you want to do it. Remember, you must connect your Instagram account. All this, I taught all this in this course, all right? So connect your Instagram account, connect your WhatsApp. Then if you have Instagram, connect your Instagram, then remove it from Messenger so that people will not be contacting you on Facebook Messenger. So once you do that, remember, we have the performance goal. Listen carefully, this performance goal here. Come to this performance goal. As you can see, we'll try to show you as to people most likely to have a conversation with you. Let's check other goals that are here. Now, there are 2 goals in the engagement campaign. The 2 goals is it maximizes number of link clicks and then conversation. Please, once you come to this place, choose maximize number of conversions. The reason why I'm saying you should choose maximize number of conversions, we have 2 goals here. number of link clicks. People will be, that's why you see people say that people are clicking on my link and then I'm not getting any result. No, just click on maximize number of conversions. These are people who are likely to engage you. They will come to your WhatsApp and engage you. All right, so that's it. Of course, you know all these ones. You change your budgeting. All right, you change your budgeting, and then you change your budgeting. I've already explained all these ones. You change your budget. I've already explained all this one. Then manual. Come here, change it to manual. All right, come here, change it to manual. Then you're running Facebook and Instagram ads. Remove this audience network and leave it on Instagram. Then if you want it to be on Instagram feeds only, you remove this. Okay, remove this Facebook video feeds, Facebook market, and leave it on feed only. Now if you want them to be on reels these days, they are beginning to convert. All right, they are beginning to convert. Remove Facebook stories. You can leave on Instagram stories, Facebook reels, and Instagram reels. The reason why this Instagram reels is not clicking is because my Instagram account is not what connected. All right, so all this, I taught all this in this course. All right, so you just, after that, what do? You just go to what? Next. All right, go to next. So always your manual placement. And there's something else I forgot to tell us. This manual placement is something I want to check, though it should be auto, because we are running WhatsApp stuff, manual placement. It should be on our phone, because I wanted to check the device. All right, I wanted to check the device. All right, so automatically is on phone because we are running it on WhatsApp. So that's what I wanted to check. So go to your ad set, to your ad level. Go to ad level. Now, is this on this ad level? Like I said before, now call out your audience. All right, call out your audience. All right, so here you can choose existing post. If you already have a post before that you want to continue running, choose it. If you don't have, you just create an ad. All right, single or image or carousel, I've already explained all this. All right, then you add your image. All right, add image. Or if your video, you add video. Let me go to upload and check something else I can upload. Okay, let me check something else. Let me click this and see. All right, okay, so it loads up and then I'll click it. So this doesn't have any issue. All right, because I think I designed it long ago. I click on next. All right, okay, original, let's say. Okay, let me done. Clicking on done. Okay, as you can see, assuming maybe I'm running this offer, assuming I'm running this offer. So if my Instagram is connected, it will also show on my Instagram. All right, so that's why I say you should get a cover that is very sharp and will fit. Now, primary test, remember I said primary test, are you a Nigerian? Are you a Nigerian and you want to start making money online? So if you're getting value, if you're getting value, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click on the notification button. So I'm having flu, guys, so it's kind of disturbing me as I'm shooting this video, but I have to shoot it. So are you a Nigerian and you want to start making money online? I've called out. Remember, I've called out. That means this advert is for Nigerians alone. All right, it's for Nigerians alone. That is what I mean. It's for Nigerians what? Alone. That means it's for Nigerians alone. I've called them out. Then you come to your headline. You come to your headline. You say get offer now. Get offer now. Let me say get offer now. So all this thing must have been crafted before you start typing it here. So you can see this get offer now has reflected and this WhatsApp button is showing. That is just, and this is very cheap ad. Very cheap ad. It's you can get leads for as low as 25 naira. As time progresses, it will come down. It will come down as time progresses. You understand? Messaging. This is called messaging app. Messaging objective. You understand? It's called messaging objective. It is way super cheap. It is cheap, guys. It is cheap. I know what I'm talking about. It is cheap. All right. So you've done everything. You've written your sales copy. Remember, you have called them out, and then you said get offer now. So let us look at the preview. All right. Let us look at the review. Let's see how it is. All right. Let's see how it is. All right. So this is how this advert is. Okay. This is how this advert. So if I want to share this advert, I can come here. All right. Get the share link. All right. Get the share link. This thing is no one can see this video even if they already have the link. So I can put it on. All right. So as you can see, this is the link. So if I copy this link now, select option, let's say 60 days. All right. It's creating a link. So if I copy this link now, if I copy this link and give it to someone, all right, the person will see this advert. That is if you are a business owner, like people who run advert for people. This is just advanced here. Also, don't get confused. So anybody, if I get this link and show the person will see his or what advert. All right. So this is just it, guys. So if you are done, all you need to do is just to what, click on your word. If you're okay with everything, all you need to do is to what, hit your publish what button. You hit your publish what button, and then you launch your what ad. All right. You launch your what ad. All right. So guys, so if you are finding value in this course, if you are finding value, please click on the notification button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, understand, so that you can be able to get more content when I upload them. Remember that everything I'm saying here is just to show us the changes that has happened. All right. So all this you want is here in this course. I show you how to run Instagram ads, Facebook ads. As you can see, all these are here. You understand? How to create your business account, how to create ad account and forward it with Naira, how to create a Facebook page and set it up, how to verify your domain. This is no longer working right now. Automatically, you don't need to even verify your domain. Those are part of the changes, but I taught that in the course. How to pixel your website. This is very important. How to run WhatsApp and Instagram ads. I covered that. How to build a high converting website and sales page, and also how to run Google and YouTube ads. You have access to my coaching and mentoring group. Also how to avoid your Facebook ban and also recover ban account. Tips before you run any Facebook ad, free swipes and templates. So remember, this course is too much. All right. So it's just going for, remember I said it's 20,000 naira. It's just for 2,000 naira now. So I will drop the link in the description button. Just click on it, get it, and then start your Facebook ads journey. I hope you find value in this course. I hope you find value in this video. All right. Thank you so much.